It's Aksa here, and today I'm gonna be sharing with all of you what's in my bag. So this is the bag I use nowadays. Actually, I would say this is a new bag I got. It's very handy, it's convenient, and it's lightweight to carry anywhere I go. So what's in this tiny bag? You would be shocked because I think I fit a lot of things in there. So obviously the first thing is my phone, which I'm recording with right now. So yeah, that's one thing I never want to walk out of the house without, probably. And the next thing I carry is my wallet. I carry some cash in there, cards, and then I do have a pack of gum in my bag. I absolutely love gum, so I tend to keep this most of the time. I do have hand sanitizer. You need it. You just need it. And this is something that probably is not in every bag. You would say it's motion sickness medicine that I carry with me because I do get motion sickness when I'm traveling, so I like to have it handy. Yes, and I have a comb that folds so it takes less space. I do carry one lipstick. Yeah, just one lipstick. There was a time I used to carry my whole makeup bag, but yeah, so I've improved. I do carry body mist. Yes, I do carry it. You may need it anywhere, everywhere. Then I do have a lip balm. I like to carry this with me also. What else do I have here? I have Panadol with me. I might need it sometime, or if someone is with me needs it. I mean, it's there. So I have a little tiny, you can see a perfume bottle, a very tiny one, the one you use for traveling usually. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and do comment below what else you want to see in my videos to come. Till next time, ciao!